Hey YouTube, this is Uncle Six, and I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to make a Minecraft Bukkit server. So to start off, you're just going to go to bukkit.org, right? Click here, recommended builds or whatever, and then just go to all downloads. And then on the downloads page, there's going to be different kinds of builds. You see there's going to be betas, development stables. Stables are recommended, obviously, but they aren't the most current because the last stable version they have is 1.3.2, right? And nobody uses that. So we're just going to go with latest beta build because they're usually pretty good. So you're going to want to download that. Save file. And then you're going to want to make a folder where you're going to put this run your server, right? So that it's not messy all in your downloads folder. For the tutorial, I'm just going to name it tutorial. So as soon as this is done, I'm going to put in tutorial. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you how you can make the thing to run the server. So first, you're going to make... No, actually, you know what? Just come in here and then type in run in your start menu, and then you're going to want to open Notepad. In Notepad, you are just going to copy and paste what I have in the description, which is this. This is what you're going to put in it. Okay? I'm going to leave that in the description below. So you're just going to copy and paste like that. Simple, right? You're going to save it as all files, and then you're going to save it as Run.bat. And you're going to put it into your tutorial or your folder where you're running the server. For me, it's tutorial. For you, it's server or whatever you want to name it. So you save that. So now this is ready too, so we're going to put that in here. Now you're going to rename this to simply craftbukkit. Run the server. Trust me, it's going to have a lot of errors. So we're just going to let that error out because it's preparing the spawn and all that. So in the meantime, we can get your map that you were working on, and if you weren't working on, then that's okay too. Doesn't make a difference really. So you're going to go back to this run thing and type percent. Goodness gracious, I've forgotten how to type today. Percent app data percent, all one word. Minecraft right here. You're going to go into saves and select a random map, or the map you were working on. I'm just going to stop this by typing in stop and hitting enter. Okay, so copy that. If you're not familiar with just using regular commands, then just type, select them all, then hold Control C to copy. Come in here, delete all this garbage, and then Control V to paste. That works with everything. So you're just going to run this up again, and you can see it finished in 3 seconds instead of like 20 whatever. So we're going to stop this just to make sure, and I'm just going to explain that there are plugins that you can get for it which will make your server much better. Right, so let's just run this actually, just to make sure it's working. Log in. Taking a while. Multiplayer, direct connect. Just type in localhost because that is just like pretty much just your computer, and because we haven't port forwarded yet, this won't be for public or whatever. If you've already port forwarded or you already know how to do all that, then that's cool too. You can stop watching this now. But if you don't know how to do that, then, well, continue watching. So yeah, you can see this is my server when it was like first starting out. So it's empty, right? So disconnect. Just close that. And type stop. Make sure you type stop, because otherwise sometimes it'll create glitches later on. Okay, so we know the server is running, but nobody else can join it. So what you're going to do is go back to the run thing, type in cmd, open it, ipconfig, just like that, ipconfig, all one word. You're going to look for your IPv4 address. Mine is 192.168. Wow. Great, so you're just going to type in 192.168.1, and then these last digits here is pretty much just my computer, so you're basically just going to type 1 there for whatever. And this is your router setup page, right? So mine is a Cisco, or Linksys, or whatever. So you're going to want to go to application and gaming. That's pretty much basic for all of them. And then application name, Minecraft. Start port is default 25565. 25565. It's recommended that you save that. And for protocol, you're going to use both TCP and UDP, right? Some routers actually can't port forward, so if you're having problems with this, just get a new router or contact somebody else that can do stuff like this for you. So, to IP address. Now this is important. We are just going to type in the last 2 digits. 121. 121. Enable. Save settings. Okay, well it already exists because I already have a server. It's a 24-hour server. It'll be open to the public soon. But generally you will save those settings. You can close this down to make sure it works. Go to Minecraft. Run your server. And yeah. Multiplayer. Oh, sorry, my bad. One other important step. You are going to go to Google, and then you're going to type in IP address. You type that in, and then it should come up with your IP address. If you so yeah, you just get your IP address, and then you copy that, and then in here it'll be your server name. So I guess we could leave the Minecraft server, and then you just paste the IP in here. And this is optional. Sometimes it doesn't work if you don't do this, but you type at the end of your IP address :25565, and it will let you join it. So this is our server, how it is right now. There's only one person online because it is really late. And yeah, here's my server, right? So it works. If you have any questions, just email me or set a comment in the links below. Like, subscribe, rate, comment, whatever you want, right? It's all good. Can't be bad. And that is how you make a basic Bukkit server. Thanks for watching. Okay, have a good day. Bye.